Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word comfortable in English. Hang around till the end because I'm going to give you a couple of insights into common errors that people make with this word. But first of all, let's look at the script from the dictionary. So here we have the script from the Cambridge Dictionary, and those little blue marks tell us really clearly that we can break this word into 4 syllables. Comfortable. So we've got 4 syllables, and the mark top left tells us that the first syllable is the strong or stressed syllable. Comfortable. So beginning with the first syllable then, we've got a k, a short and then a nasal m. So repeat after me, come. Second syllable then, we've got the f. So we need a little bit of air hissing out, top teeth to bottom lip, and then the weak schwa. So repeat after me, f. Syllable 3, nice easy t, and then another schwa. So together, repeat after me, t. And the last syllable then, we've got a b, and that dark owl, and we've got a little hinted schwa sound here. So it's bull. Repeat after me, we're swallowing that owl down, it's a dark owl, bull. So when we build it all back together, remember we need to stress the first syllable. Repeat after me, nice and loud, comfortable. Comfortable. And orthographically again, here we are, repeat after me, comfortable. Great. So there are a couple of really interesting insights with this word. First of all, you can probably recognise that at the end of the word we've got another word in there, table. But don't pronounce the end of this word table. It's got the schwa sounds, table. So when that table is on its own, the name of the thing we sit at to do writing or eating, table, has an A. But in this word it becomes weak, table. The reason it's weak is because syllable 1 is the stressed or strong syllable, come, comfortable. So table, not table. The second error that I hear people make quite a lot is over pronouncing the O in the middle of this word. So I've heard plenty of people say comfortable with a 4, and it's not an or, it's an f. So that's the second thing to watch out for. The third thing that is just a little interesting insight really is that many native speakers, myself included, will often say this word so quickly that it doesn't sound like 4 syllables, it actually sounds like 3 syllables. So here we're working with 4, so comfortable, but when I'm speaking informally, I will definitely say comfortable. It's so quick and it becomes 3 syllables. Comfortable, so f-table, yeah? So instead of the f-table, comfortable. It blends, it's so quick. So if you hear that, don't be confused. You haven't misheard, because plenty of native speakers do this, and we do it with lots of words, such as with the word vegetable, vegetable, chocolate, chocolate. There are loads of these words in English where native speakers, when they're chatting quickly, will condense what the dictionary tells us should be a longer word. We lose a syllable, basically. So that's something that you can just listen out for. I'm not suggesting that you have to pronounce it that way. I think you can stick with the comfortable that we're working with from the dictionary. That's absolutely fine. People will definitely understand you. But what I'm saying is, if you hear people say this with 3 syllables, don't be shocked or surprised. You now know what it is they're saying. It is the same word. They're just being informal and speaking quickly and naturally. So that's one you can listen out for next time you're watching TV. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share if you found that useful. And of course you can check out the homepage. There are lots of other useful materials there. I hope you feel comfortable using them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.